Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 322 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Return to Center, a quiet moment to come back to yourself. Let's begin by taking a slow breath in and let it ease out. Notice where your mind has been and gently guide your awareness back to the middle of your own experience. Feel your breath steadying you, and feel your body reminding you that you can always return to this calm place within. Now, say to yourself, I come back to myself. I find my center, and I am steady within. Allow your breath to settle into a natural rhythm. Each inhale gathering you inward, and each exhale releasing whatever pulls you away. When you are ready, bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of centered calm with you as you move through your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.